Yes, India tour is very nice, very good tour. Many Buddhist people, they are more eager to learn, and also they are very eager to practice the meditation. So it is very good tour. And also when we are visiting the historical place like the today is Ajanta, that we feel ancient people how much they had been practicing, their effort how much we feel. So India is the best country for the practice. That's why the Lord Buddha also arise in India. Yeah, yes, normally Buddha Sasana based on mainly three supportive conditions. One thing is ordained one, or that may be the good moral one. Is the base, Lord Buddha, or that Arahang, or any other venerable, or maybe there's some very good devotee, or any leading is the important part, first important part. Second one is supportive devotees. Also, second part. Third part, it invisible, the devas and brahmas. So those three together, Buddha Sasana from the beginning had been maintaining and developing. So normally Sema is one of the very big issues to the Sasana, very big event, very big and valuable things to the Sasana. So in the Sema, this kind of thing definitely that our devotees, many they like to see and rejoice. Same way, many devas, thousands of devas, brahmas, also they come to see this kind of thing and also rejoice these things. Is common thing in the Buddha Sasana. So that our Sema also very auspicious. So Chitta Viveka Sema, we Sangha evening come and also done this Vinay come maybe 5-6 hours continuously. So also very auspicious Sema setup. Yes, practice is very important thing in the Buddha Sasana. The basic practice we can do at home. So the venerables, some venerable, they come to India and teaching. So basic studies you can have in India. No need to go monasteries because everyone not easy. Go to the Sri Lanka or Thailand or Myanmar not easy. So they can practice their home or their nearest monastery. So they no need to change their schedule. Also daily they maintain their schedule. Every day working. They find some free time and they maintain their practice in this way daily activities together. We train our practice. So after some times, if the practice go deeper and deeper, so that maybe even if you have some chances, go to the intensive retreat or near in India, or some if ability one go to the abroad and can have some intensive retreat is very suitable. For basic practice, not necessary to go to the monasteries. So when the venerable come, they can have. So for the ordination training, if anyone wanted to have the ordination training, it is better to have the either Sri Lanka or Myanmar or Thailand or this kind of country. So basic training for few years, because ordination life, well training is not easy thing. So need proper teachers, proper guidance for 5 years. We call dependence period, Nisaya period. We call guidance period. So that period is very important. If the proper teachers, good teachers, those 5 years they can have proper study, proper training. Then they can, after this training, they come back to their country and they can have their that very good teaching and also sharing the experiences. Easy to happen it because need few years experience in the under the good teachers. If it is available in India, good teachers also enough. But in this time, not easy that part. So most of the countries Sri Lanka, that Myanmar, Thailand, those countries were available very good teachers. Under those teachers, they can study the basic how to become monk. After become monk, also they have to study how to become maybe how to get the high ordination. After high ordination, also they have to study how to maintain the proper Vinaya rules. These things, they properly study is better to have the proper sasana works. So in any Indian or anyone, if they are planning to have a proper teaching, it's better undergo good teachers. So for the basic practice, not necessary to go the outside. They can study in their same background. So nowadays very easy because some of the teachers they are teaching online. They can learn online and they can experience some of the concentration. They can experience some of the meditation practice in the basic way. For the deeper practice only we need to go to the monastery or secluded places. So practice basic one we can do at home. Monastic life, the not easy life, so that you know the our Lord Buddha's life also you understand. So as the Bodhisattva go to the forest and also had been having 6 years a great renunciation. So this is not easy thing, but Bodhisattva's aim is one day complete his practice. Because of that, even difficult things tolerate and practice, and finally he could reach his goal. Same way the monastic life, that completely different to the normal life. Reason is normal life, where easy for us to do anything, so our own desire we can do. But monastic life not like that. We have to depend on the teachers. So we have, because teachers they are organizing according to the mental development. So sometimes hard training, in the forest training, you are eating one meal a day, and also that maybe wearing 3 robes only. So very simple living in the simple huts. So this kind of training is a very hard thing. But we know our venerables, they are working very hard to have this kind of training. So after this training, so their sasana works very smooth because they have very good experience with the monastic life, simple life. So then sasana works very easily they can maintain. So the monastic life, we see the many of the venerables. So they in the beginning they are facing some difficulties. So there are these 2 type people we see. So one group, even whatever the difficulty they are, they still tolerate and maintain until they reach to the good level. Another type group we see, they cannot tolerate. They practice also no good results. Sometimes monastic life also not easy adapt. So they say after some times they convert their life. Some percentage we have experience in the monastic lives. So because they are aiming, the monastic people, they are aiming immediately attain arahant, immediately attain path portion. So maybe they practice sometimes 1 year, 2 year, no success. So they fed up. Some percentage of them they return back. But effortful one, they understand. Oh, doesn't matter. Yeah, maybe I try next year. So when they are trying next year, 1 or 2 year, 3 year, they success on their practice. So in that way, the practice path not easy thing, but we have to prepare. If you want to practice, you have to prepare. It's not easy thing. I must tolerate all the difficulties and continue my practice. In this way, we need proper determinations.